Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as I said in my last Devine Decal UK haul, I was waiting for another one. I'm still waiting for a few more bits, so I'll record this so far, then I will stop it and then I will add on the other bits. So this is how it comes packaged. I've cut the sticker this time. I'm sorry, Nina. So let's have a look at what goodies I've got in here. So let me move this to the side. My table is so full of junk at the moment, it's really bad. I haven't tidied it up. I've literally just finished recording a video, so I needed to jump straight in. So with your orders, you always get an instructions on how to use, which is very, very handy because not everybody knows how to use them. You know, you always have, every day you have new people who are just starting out, so it's always really, really good to have these in the packages, which is really, really good. So there you go, there's the instructions, which is always really, really handy because people are always starting out, and when you're new, you're not really sure, and there's so many different ways you could do stuff now. So yeah, so let's jump straight in. This is all her newer stuff, I believe. Well, most of it. I didn't order all of it. So let me show you this first. So there's several different brand ambassadors and we can design our own decals. I haven't done mine yet, but I will. I'm just deciding what I want to do. So these are Sparkle Nails and Beauty. These are the ones that she has come up with and they are super cute. Look at them little fluffy clouds. You have the pandas and the Barbie heads with the crown. You have some strawberries, some hearts with wings. Really, really cute. So cute. And butterflies. Obviously, I'm going to love these because they've got butterflies and they're pink as well. So, come on. So, yes, they are beautiful. I love them. So, let's jump in. So, these, as I said, are some of the new ones. So this one, we have some different flowers. They are coming across a bit more brighter. They're not as bright as these. But the colours are more or less right. I'm not sure why my camera keeps showing like really strong colours. But you have different sizes and I love all the detail. So you have like your large ones and then the medium ones and then down into the smaller ones. And you get a whole bunch of these. And these range in price. But they are so worth it. And they're one of a kind as well. You're not going to be able to buy them anywhere else. And she also has a few different lots of these. I just picked up these ones. So as you can see, these are just like black outlines. But these are really, really handy to sort of like layer. You can use these with all sorts of different stuff and different ways. I will do some designs. So yeah, these are really, really nice. They look very simple, but you can create some really cool designs with these. So I cannot wait to use them. And then these are the next one. So these are some flower heads and they are so pretty. And I love that you've got different sizes here and you get so many. I cannot wait to use these. With spring coming up, these would be really nice for, because they're not as saturated as what they're showing. They're a bit more paler. So these would be really nice for some like wedding nails or something like that. I've never done wedding nails yet. Maybe I should. Let me know your thoughts on that. So yeah, so they are really, really pretty. And you get so many on the one sheet. It's crazy. What other ones shall I show you? I'll show you these ones. So these are some 90s ones. Whoop. So you have, your sticking out tongue. You have your sucker ring. Who had them? And then you have your radios and you have your 90s. These are really, really cool. I'm so glad I have these now in my collection. Because, yeah, I think it's about time I did some 90s nails. What do you think? So, yeah, I like the way that you've got all different. You've got so many of different ones and they're slightly different sizes. So, I like that. And the colouring's really, really good on these. Great job. I love these. So, these are some ankle ones and they are so pretty. I love how, if I bring them up a bit closer, I love how she sort of like combined like the ship wheel and the anchor with flowers as well. I'm hoping you can see clearly enough, but they are just so pretty. I had to have these. They are really, really pretty. I love these. I really do. And you get so many on the sheet. So many. They are beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And we also have some of these strip ones. So this is the first lot. So as you can see, they are spring based. So you have some pastel ones and they get slightly more saturated. And you have the proper spring colours, which is absolutely beautiful. They are so pretty. Really, 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 really pretty. So you have them ones, and you also have this set as well, which has got 2 of each. If I hold it this way, you can see all of them all together. Focus the camera in a bit more. So these are really, really, really pretty, and they're really jam-packed. Really, really nice. I love all the colours in them. Oh, they're just so pretty. Really, really, really pretty. Absolutely beautiful. She does such a great job on her decals. So these are the last 2. So they are some designer ones. So we have some lips. So this is Louis Vuitton and Chanel. So you have different sizes. So these are the black and, are they, yeah, black, white, and this made to look like a silver, which is really, really cool. Look at the detail on them. Cannot wait to use these. Really, really, really cool. And this is the last one in this haul. And again, it's some more designer ones. So these are Louis Vuitton. So these are pastel pink with gold on the outside, and these are the same pastel pink but with black around the outside. So if I bring them up, I had to have these. I had to. They are really, really pretty, and the detail on them is amazing. Absolutely amazing. And you get so many. I like how you get like the big ones and the smaller ones as well. Amazing. So this is the first part. I'm still, as I said, I'm still waiting for a couple more bits to come. So when they come, I will add it onto this video, just so then I'm not doing 2 hauls in one. And as I said, they sort of vary in price. It depends. And she does have a clearance section as well. So yeah, they sort of range anywhere from a couple of pounds up to £4. I'm pretty sure I haven't seen any more than £4. But I mean, you get so many on one sheet. And I mean, you're not going to be able to pick these up anywhere else. They are really, really, really good. So yeah, I cannot wait to do some designs with this. And as I said, I will leave this part here and I will add on the second part. So you won't know the difference, but I will. I may have different nails, who knows, but I will add it on. So yeah, let me know your thoughts down below, and yeah, I will add the second part in. Okay, I shall speak to you all soon. Well, it will be in a couple of minutes for you, but it will be soon for me. Okay. Okay, so this is the second part that I'm adding to the first part of the haul. So this is like my ambassador welcome kind of thing. So let's have a look and see. I'm so excited. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold them like this, because then you will see my reaction. So these are the butterfly stickers. Oh my god, they are stunning. Wow, just look at them colours. They are so pretty. Let me just move this light because it's shining right on there. So this is these ones. Oh, they're so pretty. Oh, look at the colours, look at the detail. Wow, can you see them shimmering? Oh, they are so pretty. So that's the first one. There's loads in here. This is the next one. Oh, look at them. They are so pretty. Just look at the colours. Wow. They are amazing. Oh, they're so pretty. Oh, there's loads in here. Look at these. Wow. Look at them. Wow. They are absolutely stunning. Wow. Just look at the colours. Look at the way they shift. Oh, they're so pretty. Thank you so much. Look at these. Wow. Just look at them. Wow. They are amazing. Oh, they're so pretty. Look at the way they shift. I don't have anything like this. They're so pretty. Look at these. Oh, these are amazing. Absolutely amazing. Oh, just look at all the colours. The way they shift. Oh. Oh my God, they are amazing. Absolutely. Oh, I'm blown away by these. Thank you so much. Just look at them. Wow. Oh, they're just so pretty. I've got so many. Look at these. Wow. Just look at them. They are, oh, they're just so pretty. Absolutely. Oh, the camera is just not doing these any justice. Oh, they're so pretty. I love them. I love them. Look at these ones. Just look at the definition and the colour shift. Oh, these are absolutely beautiful. Oh, I know I'm going to keep staring at these. And then this is the last one. Thank you so much. Oh, look at these. Oh my. They are absolutely beautiful. Just look at them. Wow. Thank you so much, Nina. I'm literally blown away. There's so many here. Oh, I'm going to have so much fun. Look at all of these. Wow. Oh, they are absolutely stunning. Oh my. Oh, what ones am I going to use first? I don't know. Oh, thank you so much. Oh, I love them. I love all of them. They are absolutely stunning. I'm so excited. So yes, I'm so sorry, I'm so distracted. So yes, as you know, well, this is my brand ambassador welcome package. So thank you so much. It's amazing. I love it. Absolutely love it, love it, love it, love it so much. So thank you so much. And don't forget to head over and check out Devine Decals UK. I will have everything linked down below, and I'll have my discount code at the end as well. So yeah, I would definitely recommend her water decals. You know that I won't recommend something that is rubbish. I won't do that, because yeah, I just think it's wrong to recommend something that isn't that good. You know that I'm very honest. If something isn't right, even if it's a brand that I've been using for ages, if like the polish is off or something like that, something ain't, you know, I will tell you. Because I don't want you going out spending your money on stuff that I don't have kind of confidence in and I don't like or whatever. I wouldn't do that, because it's unfair. Because at the end of the day, you know, you come here, you see what I use, and if it's crap, I don't want you going out and wasting your money. So yeah, I would definitely highly recommend her water decals for sure. And don't forget, you can always have custom ones as well. So yeah, I would definitely check out the website. She's always adding like new bits here and there. So yeah, she has stickers and the water decals as well, and you can have custom ones, and she has the VIP box every month as well, and that is really good value for money as well. So yeah, don't forget to head over and check out the website and check out her Instagram as well. Don't forget, if you place an order, don't forget my discount code to save yourself some money. And yeah, please give this video a big thumbs up. Let me know what you think of my beautiful stickers and the water decals that I ordered. And yeah, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, and hopefully I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye.